Is the accounting profession endangered or nanganganib bang mawala because of AI? Well, the short answer is no. Pero, kung tayo'y tutulog-tulog sa pansitan, especially yung mga nasa entry level pa lang pagdating sa employment, palagay ko tayo ay mapag-iiwanan. Kasi alam nyo, ang AI is just part of the entire accounting evolution. Kaya kung babalikan natin ang istorya ng accounting, nung unang panahon, ang mga merchants sa Europe ay gumagamit ng token to track down their barter activities. Pero nung nauso na yung pera, medyo iniwanan na nila yung paggamit ng token at nag-shift na sila sa single entry bookkeeping o yung tinatawag nating cash accounting. However, nung nauso na rin yung utangan, na-feel nila na yung single entry bookkeeping ay hindi sapat para magbigay ng impormasyon para sa mga business owners. Kaya eventually, na-invento na yung tinatawag nating double entry bookkeeping, which is ginagamit pa rin natin hanggang ngayon. The entire world adopted that accounting system. Kasabay ng paglaganap ng paggamit ng double entry bookkeeping, unti-unti na rin na-introduce yung mga books of accounts, kung tawagin natin. Like the general journal to record their transactions, the T-accounts or the general ledger to post their transactions, at saka yung mga plain worksheet to prepare their financial statements. So everybody adopted that one. Almost everybody adopted that one. At nag-i-enjoy sila. No? Nakaka-cope up na ngayon sila sa reporting deadlines, etc. Tapos, nung na-invento mga computers, some business owners who can afford to invest on hardware and software, no, nag-try sila. They trained their employees to operate the computer. They hired computer experts and programmers para mag-develop ng program or system, no, na angkop or pwede nila magamit sa data entry. And the news spread like a wildfire. So lahat, napakabilis. Halos lahat ay gumamit na ng computerized accounting system. Actually, nagsimula yan sa Lotus 123. Hindi ko alam kung inabot nyo yon. However, yung Excel ang talagang naging popular that time. And then, while some companies use the basic accounting or computerized accounting system, while others use the traditional general journal and general ledger system as well as worksheet, unti-unti na rin na-develop yung tinatawag natin ngayon na accounting software.